actress from the Philippines.
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay.
Thank you.
All right, the stage is yours.
Thank you.
Spy on me, baby, you satellite. See me move through the night. Ain't gonna find, shoot me right. I'm gonna like the way you find. The way you find now, baby. Now you found the secret code I use to wash away my lonely blues. No, I can't deny a lie, 'cause you're there only wanna make me fly. Hey, saxophone, saxophone, you're my saxophone. You can give it to me when I need you to come along. Saxophone, saxophone, you're my saxophone, and baby, you turn me on. You can give me more when I count on score. You can turn me upside down, inside out. You can make me feel the way you feel, and I can give it to you anytime because you're mine. Wow, they are amazing. Saxophone, saxophone, you're my saxophone. You can give it to me when I need you to come along. Saxophone, saxophone, you're my saxophone. And baby, you can turn me on. Baby, you can turn me on. Turn me on. Baby, you can turn me on. Now, ooh, baby, you can turn me on.
Wow, 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 wow. I did not see that coming. I have to say that with your outfit and then the voice, you really got our attention.
And by the way, you in the middle, what's your name?
My name is Mariko.
What's your real name?
Joselito.
Okay.
You know what?
Boom, boom.
Sir David,
Yes.
aside from Joselito, Mamma Mia, what's your real name?
Romeo.
And you?
I'm
Conrado.